Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to change subtitles options on Borderlands 4. So first open options, then accessibility, basic, and here we have all the subtitles options. First is show subtitles. So if you want any options to change, you need to enable the subtitles. Then subtitle text size, here you can change it. Force bold text. Subtitle color, I'll stick with yellow because it's my favorite one. Subtitle background, you can disable or enable it, and change the background opacity. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.